How to change app icon on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your phone and hold on to the home screen. Click on Home Setting at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open these options. In here, click on Icon Pack. You'll find different icon app available. If you don't want anything from here, you can click on Shopping Bag-like option at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will lead you to Play Store's icon packs. You can download any from here. If not, you can simply select the one you prefer and click on Save at the bottom right, and then your icons will be changed. This is how to change app icon on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.